So guys, start na tayo na naman dito sa Risto. Blessed evening, Friday evening guys. Ito ang sandwich guys. Ayan, maraming kwan yan, cheese, ham. Yung nandyan sa ilalim niya, cheese yan guys. Ayan. Migalab shout out, friends in YD. Please welcome back to my channel, Beauty Lupis. Migalab shout out, Team Zombie, friends in YT all over the world. Come on guys. What's my video? One win down guys. Yan. Ito naman tayo guys, radish tart. Yan, ang cute niya ayan. Yan yung radish na baby radish guys, yung pink, yan. Ito. Diba? Ang ganda. Radish tart guys. Please watch my video. Dito na naman tayo guys sa resto. Yan ang ginagawa ni ito guys, ano yan? Pipi yan guys, pipi. Itong gumagawa. Ha? What time Rosana come? Yeah. I don't know. Dito naman tayo sa financer guys. Financer ito. Maybe coming soon.
Yeah, so many work.
Yeah.
Don't worry,
Jeannie will come.
it's my sister.
Jeannie will come.
Oh.
Ganyan siya guys, Isang order na yan guys. Isang order na yan. Barbecue. Yung isa is chicken curry. Yung naman isa hindi curry. Yan guys, ang ganyan Diba? Isang order na yan guys. Isang order na. Yan. This watch my video, Prince in Whitey. Tingnan niyo yan guys. Ayan. Cheese yan. Cheese. Yan. Marami pang gagawin guys. Sa loob cheese din at saka ham. Yan. Tapos patungan yan ng cheese. Tapos maipapatong na gravy. Saka iuuhon na yan guys. Ayan. Look at this. Ayan. Ganyan ang ginagawa ko dati guys. Ayan. Ang dami pa. Bigalang shout out. Cheese bread yan guys. Cheese bread yan. Cheese ham bread. Diba? Dami pa guys. Ito naman guys, yung ham yan. Ayan. Ang dami yan. Sarap dito guys. Yummy. Tart ito guys, tart. Baka salmon tart ito. Hindi ko kasi nasimulan Yan guys. May eggplant tart, ganyan. Yummy. Yan. Pinapabidyo rin niya yung brownies niya guys. Brownies.
Very nice.
Brownies guys. Nice brownies. Thanks for watching guys. Daming cheese guys. Kakain daw ako ng brownies. Yan ang bus ko yan. Look at here. I try one. Okay, thank you.
It was hot, it's nice.
Gumagawa sila ng dumpling. Ayan, nakita nyo guys, dami pa. dami pang gawin. Ito guys, hipon yan guys. Hipon. Ilalagay nila dito guys. Yan. Yan. Ilagay nila dyan. Itong hipon na yan. Tingnan ninyo. Dami pa. Nagsisinyasan lang sila guys. Kasi ano. Yes, I will take a video first,
You
sister.
for my Chinese friends, take all your food.
Yeah.
You will not eat later. Forget about your video now, my God.
I don't have yet.
Very bad.
Ito na guys yung cheesecake ko. Ito na. Naiuban na siya guys. Oh, ayan na yung cheesecake.
Which one?
Ang bango-bango. Ito naman yung financer guys. Yan.
Then your
Nagagawa ako niyan guys.
Oh, I don't think
Ito yung PP ang gumawa nito ngayon guys. Busy kasi ako. Yan. Financer.
Hello, Melissa.
Yan. Yan. Ayan na si boss.
Come to me, Jam.
Yan. Kakain na kami. Spaghetti guys. Spaghetti.
Terlalu malam ya, karena
Salmon ba to? Sister, salmon?
Ya.
Salmon.
Oh.
Yan. Spaghetti kami guys. Kakain kami. Yan.
Ah.
Pinagsasandukan ng boss ko
Besok
yung mga
kerja itu.
Chinese oh. Mga pipi sila guys.
Makanya.
Umuwi na yung isa.
Aku mau pulang, tapi gawannya kan
5 pala silang pipi ano? 5 pala ano? Yan. Eat na muna guys. Eat. Ito guys, lalagyan na nila ng grind na shrimp guys. Yung hipon, dito nila ilalagay. Yan guys. Tart. Yan guys. Minamarinate pa nila yung hipon. Ito na yung mga ano, cheese bread guys. Ayan. Financer. Ayan guys. Ayan yung hipon. Thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching. Please welcome back to my channel. Ayan guys. Thank you.